Okay, much welcome. In our class, we'll be looking on conceptual framework underlying financial accounting. As you can see, we have a very good framework with us, which is structured in a manner that we are starting, or we have objectives, we have qualitative characteristics of accounting information, we have element of financial statement, we have fundamental accounting assumption, we have the GAHAPs, or the general accepted accounting principles, and we have constraints to those general accepted accounting principles, and the FAAs. So the structure, as you can see, is illustrating on the framework that is generally used when accounting or financial accounting is concerned. We see that financial statements are prepared and presented to external users, to many entities around the world. That is very true. Although they may appear similar from country to country, there are differences that have been caused by a variety of social, economic, and legal circumstances, and having in mind the need of different users of financial statement when settling national requirements. We see that they have led to the use of a variety of definitions of the element of financial statement. When we talk of element of financial statement, we talk of the asset, the liabilities, the equity, the income, and the expenses. We have also resorted to the use of different criteria for recognition of items in the financial statement and in a preference for different bases of measurement. Therefore, the conceptual framework of accounting, also called the theoretical framework of accounting, is a coherent system of interrelated objectives and fundamentals that can lead to consistent standard and that prescribe the nature, function, and limit of financial accounting and financial accounting statements. In other words, is that it is the constitution of accounting. This framework has been created, developed, or decreed on the basis of the needs of accountant and the users of financial information. It is usually backed up by the authority and professional pronouncement of the accounting profession. We see that the pervasive use or the continued use of the framework rests upon its general recognition and acceptance by the accountant and the users of financial statement. So these framework have been used for a long, and it's generally accepted by those groups, that is the accountant and the other users of financial statement. We see that these theoretical principles provide a basis for development of new accounting standards and the evaluation of those already in existence. The financial reporting standard is concerned with providing information that is useful in business and economic decision making. Therefore, it provides a framework for the determination which event should be accounted for, how they should be measured, and how they should be communicated to the users. We say that it is a coherent system. It is a coherent system, and the fundamental that can lead to consistent standards that prescribe the nature, function, and limit for financial accounting and financial statements. A conceptual framework underlying financial accounting cannot be viewed as the description or derived from and proven by the laws of nature. No, rather it is created, developed, or decreed on the basis of the environmental factors, intuition, authority, and acceptability rest upon its recognition and acceptance by preparers, auditors, and users of financial statement. This is like to say that conceptual framework is not like anything drafted anyhow. No, it is through the intuition and some other factors being considered, authorities and acceptability and it rests upon the acceptance of the preparers, auditors, and the users of financial statement. It is worthy to note that to be useful, standard setting should be built on and to be established body of concepts and objectives. 2. A conceptual framework should increase the use of financial statements, adjustability, and confidence in financial reporting, as well as comparability. We just try to say that the framework should increase or enhance adjustability by the users and also the comparability. We'll be looking on those two things, that is understandability and comparability, as we continue. Thank you